Carnival is definitely in the air, and the costumes are finally being released. Don't focus on the price tag so much just yet. Take a look at the costumes for Exodus.
Another week, another Carnival launch. It's all about Exodus Carnival.
You will be, blame it on my maker. It's rudeness in my nature. Professional bumper shaker. This is my sound, watch me get on. This is my sound, watch me get on. This is my sound, watch me get on. Watch me get on. I'm an ex-breaker, spin it around.
Yeah, see me coming when they see me on the streets.
Quickie, too much pressure. Gimme, girl, bring the bumper. Gimme.
What do you think about all the costumes and this Exodus launch tonight?
I honestly can't choose because all of them embody like a different statement. Some of them are fierce, some of them are skimpy and sexy, some of them have like a whole royal look like this one. So I don't know. I just love all of them.
Beautiful. The traditional look, I like that they keep it in the, the carnival costume vibe. And the pearl ones, those, I love the black one, that was awesome.
You know short up shots when you bite back. Tell a fight over and you not fight back. Put your hand round me waist when you bite back. You like that, you bite back. Girl, you sexy second. Shape like you have chicken pill. Drink a apple vodka palm.
I love it, it's so original. So I love it, it's not just like bling bling, but a lot of things as you can see.
I am determined to jump in costume this year. So I was really excited to see especially the purple and pink one, yes.
For me, the whole angel vibe is something I've dreamed of even since I was little. So even when I was asked, I was like, yeah. Competition up.
Yeah, which one you gonna wear?
I don't know yet, but they're pretty.
See them on some.
The girls got you, Narity. The girls got you.
The hottest one never up on the stage still.
They're amazing, it's Exodus, but I didn't expect anything less.
Boy, just this year Smirnoff is a part of Exodus?
Yes, we were a part of Exodus last year, so we just made the partnership bigger and better, and we came with the angel of birth, Layla.
Alright, I mean, why did you guys decide that we guys need to make this partnership bigger and better for Exodus Carnival?
Well, we saw how the consumers reacted last year to the Exodus band, and Smirnoff being a part of it with our wonderful portfolio. We had Johnny Walker, we had Ciroc, we had Bailey's. So the consumers loved it. Patrons were gravitating towards all our products and our costumes. So we decided that, look, let's just make it bigger, let's just make it better. And we're supporting all bands. We just want a bigger and better carnival in Jamaica. So there is no divide. There's just one big happy family.
One big happy family. And what's Smirnoff bringing on the road?
Well, did you see our frontline costume a while ago? The girls look awesome, they look amazing. But you have to watch out for it because we're teaming up with, and we're not giving it a surprise yet. So our patrons is going to have an experience like no other on the road. When we tell you about VIP experience, or we tell you about no other else band can bring that kind of experience on the road, you're going to be saying,
1-0, check 1 euro, we more do 1-0, Batman Upu, we all volant less at 1 hero, Balamina no, you know.
Tell my supervisor.
I hear this is Smirnoff's costume.
Yeah.
What do you think about the whole design?
It's amazing, the feathers are gorgeous, the design is sexy, everything about it is perfect.
Donia, your costume at the Exodus launch this year.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, what have you been up to?
Well, just working, stay working, I try to stay consistent with the singles them, working on the album, also working on a mixtape.
Are you a carnival lover? You love soca? Come know, so you do like a 1-2 mix every now and then.
Well, definitely, because some of my songs over the years, some of my girls sang them, they mix with that soca, that flavor there, you see me? You see me? So we love it, beautiful ladies, whining and enjoying themselves, so we have to love that straight.
You are the designer for Unleashed.
Yes, I am.
You were on Bacchanal last year, jump on Exodus this year. What's going on?
By rights, I was with Exodus from the beginning. Last year, Exodus costume, ecstasy was mine. So I was always with everybody. I just want a peaceful carnival. I love what I do. I like to, mix and mingle with everybody. I wish that's what it was, you know what I mean?
Party done. Hold up, see, girl, and never smash it. Bust a dance and then we slash it. Even when we drunk, hold our waist and smash it. Give no water to catch hot sessions. Let me see a Trinity girl, she wind up her waist and hold.
Entered the pearly gates
and boy, Exodus, League of Angels look